So today I'm going to show you one of the best recipe of the French cuisine. So the name of preparation is a Bigneti Aubergine. So the aubergine you can say in a French term is a brinjal. The Bignets is a fiddle, so like is a fiddle of the brinjal. So let's start. I will show you the first ingredients. So first we need a brinjal, aubergine. You can say in a French term is a aubergine. And the rest of ingredients we require in this recipe of batter. So for batter we require first refined flour. In the rest we require milk. In the rest we require whole egg. And do the seasoning, salt, white pepper powder, and for deep frying we can use olive oil for deep frying. So let's start. I will show you the further process. So first we need a roundel cut of brinjal, guys. So first I am going to show you the round cut of brinjal. So first we will remove this part. After that we can cut into equal size. We will need in a round cut of brinjal like this. Make sure your whole cut is a equal size. The thickness of minimum 2 mm, the millimeter. The minimum your thickness is 2 mm, and every piece's shape is equal. And this part I will remove. And after that you can put all pieces in a separate bowl and keep on side. Now we require for making of batter this type of bowl. First I'm gonna add refined flour for making batter. With the helping of refined flour, I'm gonna add refined flour. The next ingredients we require egg, we require one whole egg, then add seasoning, white pepper powder, little bit of white pepper powder, add salt, a little bit of salt, and last we can add milk. First we will whisk. So we will mix with the helping of whisker. Make sure your batter is a running consistency, guys. Not much thick, not much thin. If required, then you can add a little bit of milk. And you can mix with the same direction so that your batter is a lumps free. Make sure your batter inside not a lumps. So now you can see now the consistency of chicken. You can see. So this type of consistency we require, guys, for the brinjal, the fittles. Now this in the same direction. Make sure your batter is a lumps free, guys. If your batter is getting a lumps, so your product is not get well. So make sure you can mix properly so that you can get free of the lumps. Now your batter is ready. So you can see nice running consistency of your batter. Now I will show you the further process. Now the timing is adding for brinjal and this batter. Now we can add brinjal in this batter. And mix well. So make sure your batter is properly on the top of your brinjal so that the batter flavor get well inside of the brinjal. So now, guys, you can see now the batter is a properly mixed well in a brinjal, get well flavor inside of the brinjal. So now the timing is a shallow frying. So let's start for shallow frying. So now I will show you the shallow frying. So first switch on the gas, then we can put the wok in a gas ring. Then I'm going to add olive oil. So we just shallow frying, guys. We use a method of the shallow frying. So guys, first heat the oil in a very high flame. So when the oil is getting hot, so then you keep the gas flame is slow and you can put the brinjal inside of the oil so that your brinjal is well cooked inside to outside. So first heat the oil into high flame. So we just waiting for the getting starting of the oil is a hot. The approximate temperature of oil is a 183 degrees Celsius. The deep frying and the shallow frying, the same temperature of oil, the 183 degrees Celsius. So when the oil is getting hot, so then you keep the gas flame is slow and whatever you want to add, so you can add into the oil so that your product is get well inside cooked. Make sure you can cook shallow fry your product in a very slow flame. If you cook in a high flame, so your product is not get well cooked inside to outside. So we just waiting for the oil is hot. Keep the gas flame is slow. Now the oil is getting hot. So now I'm going to add brinjal pieces. You can shallow fry. Make sure, guys, your gas flame is very slow and you can cook till when the color is changed, and after that we can remove into the bowl. So we will cook until when the color is a light brown. So we can turn with the helping of perforated spoon, and then you can turn on the another side, and you can cook from the another side is the same. So make sure your gas flame is very slow, so that your pot is well cooked inside to outside, guys. Now we can turn the brinjal on the other side with the helping of perforated spoon. And we will cook the another side in the same. We will do the same in another side, but till the color is a light brown, like this color. So when the color is the same in the another side, so that we can remove with the helping of perforated spoon, and we can remove into the hot oil and keep on side. So now guys, you can see the color of the brinjal is a nice color. So we require of this type of color, and make sure your gas flame is a very slow. If your gas is a very high flame, so your product is cooked on outside, not an inside. So make sure your gas flame is a very slow. You can see the process of shallow frying. In this we are using a very less amount of oil, not much oil. So now switch off the gas. Now our brinjal is ready. So now we can remove brinjal with the helping of perforated spoon. Now we will remove the brinjal and keep on the bowl. Now guys, you can see the Bigneti aubergine is ready, so you can serve hot. So I hope you well understood while watching this video how you will making the Bigneti aubergine. So that is a very easy recipe, and every time the ingredients is available on your home, so you can try on your home, because every time available the refined flour, brinjal, salt and pepper, egg on available in your home. So you can try this recipe on your home. So this is the recipe of the Bigneti aubergine. So thank you so much guys.